In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the iCloud storage space from the website. So at first we need to open a browser. I'm going to use Safari browser, and then we have to access iCloud.com. Once you are there, then you will find this top-up user interface, and from this website there is a big sign in button. The sign in button position may be different locations, but it's fine, you can find it easily, and this will be a big button. To sign in, just click on the sign in button, and very shortly it will bring this type of menu. So here there are a couple of options up there. If you are using the Safari browser on your existing logged in Mac computer, then you will find this option with a sign in on this button basically. So otherwise you have to use this option. So if you click over there, you have to manually type the username of your iCloud account, and then once you type there, you need to type the password next time. But I'm not going to show you how to do this thing. Rather, I'm going to click sign in, and then I'm using my Mac computer password to sign in my iCloud account, as I am using the same iCloud account of my Mac. And here it is showing to give to type the password for my MacBook basically. It's not the iCloud password, so I'm going to type the MacBook password, and then I'm going to hit the return key, and very shortly we'll be in this page. We see that it is showing my account login details. This is my account, and to check the storage space we have to click this profile icon, and then we'll see iCloud settings. Just click over there, and very shortly you will be in this page. Here you will see the total space which is allocated for my account. Here it is showing 5 GB, and if we click over there we'll see the details, and here it is showing how much space I used, and how much space is remaining also, and which of the application is using most of the space. It is also listed over there. And if you want to purchase more space, we have the option from here, and from here we can choose different options, and up to 12 terabyte of space. We have to choose one of them, and then you have to buy. I'm going to cancel this thing, and that's it. In this way we can easily check the storage space of our iCloud account from website.